Here's a step-by-step guide to installing the HBO Max app on your iPhone. 1. Unlock your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and on the home screen. 2. Open the App Store. Tap the App Store icon on your home screen to open it. 3. Search for HBO Max. Tap on the search icon, magnifying glass, at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type HBO Max and tap the search button. 4. Select HBO Max. Look for the HBO Max app in the search results. It should have the HBO Max logo. Tap on it to view the app details. 5. Install the app. Tap the download icon, a cloud with an arrow, or the Get button next to the HBO Max app. You might need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. 6. Wait for installation. The app will begin downloading and installing. You can monitor its progress on your home screen. 7. Open HBO Max. Once the installation is complete, the HBO Max app icon will appear on your home screen. Tap it to open the app. 8. Sign in or subscribe. If you already have an HBO Max subscription, sign in with your credentials. If you don't, you can subscribe directly through the app by following the on-screen instructions. That's it. You should now be able to enjoy HBO Max on your iPhone.